How's it going, YouTube? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of, you probably guessed it, the Air Jordan 4 Retro NRG in the Toronto Raptors colorway. After months and months of speculating whether these were releasing or not, whether or not these were a Drake collab or not, finally Jordan Brand decided to release these this past Saturday, August 18th for $200 US or 265 Canadian dollars. The official colorway for this shoe is black, university red, and quart purple. Dressed in a colorway that's paying homage to the retro colorways of the Toronto Raptors NBA franchise, these were released surprisingly in decent numbers. Here in Canada, these were available online at Nike.ca, and they were also available locally here in Toronto at a lot of the major Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champs locations, but surprisingly they never landed at any of our local boutiques. This takes your classic Air Jordan 4 silhouette, and it's constructed for the most part in this black suede. For my pair at least, the suede wasn't too bad. I know in the past when Jordan Brand has used black suede on their Jordan 4s, a lot of the times the suede has this really ashy look to it, but for my pair the suede was pretty consistently smooth and pretty much black overall. We have this black netting found both on the base of the shoe as well as on the side panels, and then we have this red plastic tab on the bottom 3 eyelets and the top 3 as well. Connecting these top 3 eyelets to the shoe itself, we have this black plastic wing. This also comes with a black plastic hang tag as opposed to your traditional orange or red colored ones. These come standard with flat style laces in black. Underneath this we have the suede tongue, and as we move on to the very top of the tongue, we have this square leather patch with the Jumpman logo embossed in the center. Having this leather patch as opposed to your standard nylon patch that most Jordan 4s have elevates the shoe a little bit more and gives it a little bit more of that premium feel. The back of the tongue is lined in red, and then we have this Air Jordan logo stitched on in upside down fashion in a combination of red and purple. Taking a look at the very back of the shoe, so here we have this plastic heel cup along with this plastic pull tab, and at the very center we have a purple Jumpman logo. So these come with your standard Air Jordan insoles in red, and on the heel we have the Jumpman logo. So the upper of these Raptor 4s sits atop this full-length foam midsole. The foam itself is colored in purple with black speckle paint found throughout. Underneath the heel, of course, we have this window that exposes the air unit that's found encapsulated within the foam. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Air Jordan 4 outsole. So this outsole is colored in a combination of red, purple, and black, and at the very center we have this red Jumpman logo. Sizing wise, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I pretty much always go with a 10.5 with my suede Jordan 4s. For some reason, sticking true to size, I feel some irritation around my pinky toe right up here, so getting a 10.5 in this case fit me perfectly. However, if you guys have worn Jordan 4s before, I just recommend sticking with that normal Jordan 4 size. Comfort wise, so there's nothing really special to say about these. These feel like any of your other retro Jordan 4s, so I wouldn't say that they're really comfortable by any means, but they're not going to kill your feet either. So with all that said, now let me lace up these Raptor 4s and show you guys how these look on feet. Being born and raised in Toronto and being a huge Raptors fan, while I personally didn't love the colorway, I just felt like it was missing some sort of color, maybe a little bit of accent color on the tongue. But nonetheless, I gotta rep the hometown, so that's why I picked these up for the collection. It's still a very, very nice looking shoe, and even if you're not a fan of the Raptors, black, purple, and red still is a very clean look. So let me know in the comments down below whether or not you guys were able to grab a pair of the Raptor 4s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, give me a follow on Twitter at sean.go, and check out my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.